In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your resume or CV from LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your LinkedIn profile. Look at the top right corner of the screen and you'll see your profile picture or an avatar labeled Me. Click on this image and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all aspects of your LinkedIn account, ensuring that you have full control over your data and privacy. Once you're on the Settings and Privacy page, focus on the left-hand panel. Here you'll find several options, but what we're interested in today is Data Privacy. Click on this section to display various privacy-related settings. This area allows you to manage how your information is used and shared on LinkedIn, providing you with peace of mind while you navigate your job search. Now scroll down on this page until you discover the Job Seeking Preferences section. It's here that we can make the changes we need. Click on Job Application Settings, which is conveniently located within this section. Upon clicking, you'll be directed to a page where you can see your uploaded resume or CV. This is particularly useful if you've uploaded multiple files, allowing you to carefully select the right document to remove. Beside your uploaded resume or CV, you'll see 3 dots or an ellipsis. Click on these dots to reveal a small menu. In this menu, select Delete. This simple action will remove your resume or CV from LinkedIn, allowing you to have comfort in knowing your information is no longer stored there. Remember that you can upload a new resume or CV at any time, making this process flexible and convenient as you revise and update your job application materials. It's important to note that while your resume or CV will be removed from your LinkedIn profile, any applications you've previously submitted using LinkedIn will remain unaffected. This means you won't have to worry about any disruptions to your ongoing job search efforts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful guides like this. We're here to help you make the most out of your LinkedIn experience, ensuring a smoother job application process. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.